it seems like AI is everywhere you turn these days. ChatGPT this, future work that. But like, what if I told you there's this surprising twist to this whole AI revolution?
Okay.
So we're diving into this article today from Towards Data Science.
All right.
It's called the AI Productivity Paradox. Why aren't more workers using ChatGPT?
Interesting.
It's by Julia Wynn.
Okay.
And honestly, it's making us kind of rethink all this AI hype.
Yeah, the article points out this really interesting paradox, right?
Yeah.
Where like AI is the hot topic,
Uh-huh.
but very few professionals are actually like taking the plunge
Right.
and using it for more than just like basic tasks,
Yeah.
you know? Like, did you know that only a tiny percentage of ChatGPT users are actually paying for that premium version, ChatGPT Plus?
Really?
That tells you something right there.
Yeah, it does. It's almost like everyone is window shopping for AI,
Yeah,
but not a lot of people are ready to buy.
right.
And get this, the article, it dives into why this is happening.
Oh.
And the reason might actually surprise you.
Right.
It's not about lacking the technical skills.
It's about time, or rather the lack of it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, Julia argues that most professionals are just so bogged down
Right.
with deadlines and urgent tasks that they just don't even have the space to like step back and think strategically about how AI could actually like truly change their work.
Yeah, and this is where Julia's own story really brings this paradox to life.
Okay.
She talks about how she used AI to complete a data project in just one day.
Wow.
A project that would normally take a team weeks to finish.
That's incredible.
Can you imagine having that kind of power at your fingertips?
It's pretty amazing. This wasn't just, some simple case of like
Right.
plugging some data into a program and hitting go.
Yeah.
Julia was actually using large language models, or LLMs,
Okay.
and she had to like really work with the AI, carefully crafting instructions, refining her prompts, giving the AI feedback, and going through multiple iterations to get those incredible results.
So it was like having a superpowered assistant.
Yeah,
But one that really needed clear directions to really shine.
exactly.
But here's the key takeaway.
Okay.
Julia was only able to achieve this because she had the support of her leadership
Oh, interesting.
to like block off an entire day to just experiment and like really dive deep into what was possible with AI.
Yeah,
That's something, honestly, I think we could all use a little more of, right?
absolutely.
Like dedicated time to explore new ideas and tools
Yeah,
without that pressure
right.
of immediate deadlines.
For sure.
Wouldn't you agree?
100%. Like, think about it.
Yeah.
How often do you actually have the chance to just step back from the daily grind
Exactly.
and really think outside the box?
Yeah.
And that's where I think the whole pretending to be sick insight comes in.
Oh, I love this part.
Yeah.
It's so relatable.
It is.
Julia observes that for many professionals,
Mm-hmm.
the only way they can carve out time for this kind of deep focus work
Yeah.
is by, well, calling in sick.
It's funny, but it also highlights the pressure cooker environment
Right.
that so many of us are working in.
It's true.
It's a vicious cycle. We're
Yeah.
so overwhelmed with these short-term demands
Right.
that we just can't prioritize learning new skills
Right.
that could ultimately save us time and make us more effective in the long run.
Yeah. But here's where the article shifts gears and offers some hope.
Okay.
First, it debunks this myth that you need tons of technical training to use AI effectively.
Right.
And Julia uses her own father as a perfect example.
Oh, no.
He's a lawyer in his 60s,
Wow.
and all it took was a 5-minute explanation
Wow.
tailored to his field to get him excited about AI.
That's awesome.
Julia even worked with him to draft a law review article using AI.
Now, that's what I call a productive father-daughter bonding session.
Right.
But it just goes to show that you don't need to be a coding expert
Exactly.
to leverage these tools.
Right.
The article suggests focusing on like short, targeted training sessions that are relevant to like your specific work needs,
Yeah.
rather than overwhelming yourself with like generic technical courses.
Right. And this brings us to another really interesting concept,
Okay.
which Julia introduces.
All right.
She talks about LLM whisperers.
LM whisperers. I like that.
These hidden gems within organizations that are already using AI effectively,
Yeah.
often under the radar.
That's interesting.
I bet you even know a few of these LLM whisperers in your own workplace
Oh, probably.
without even realizing it.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know what? These individuals could actually be your secret weapon
Oh, how so?
for AI adoption.
Oh, interesting.
Exactly. They can help you identify those areas where AI could be seamlessly integrated into your existing workflows.
Makes sense.
They can conduct what Julia calls AI audits, reviewing your existing processes and suggesting like specific ways that AI could be used to, improve efficiency or generate new insights.
Yeah.
And the best part,
What's that?
they're already familiar with your company's systems and goals and culture.
Oh, of course, yeah.
You know,
They speak your language.
they speak your language.
They can offer practical, actionable advice without the need for like expensive external consultants.
Exactly.
So we've got this incredibly powerful technology with the potential to like revolutionize the way we work.
Right.
But, a lot of us are caught in this time crunch paradox.
Yeah.
Not enough time to explore the very tools that could free up more time.
I know, it's so ironic.
Right.
It's like a catch-22.
It is.
But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom.
Okay, good.
Julia offers some really practical suggestions for how to overcome these barriers
All right.
and unlock the true potential of AI.
Love it.
And we'll dive into those right after this quick.
Yeah.
Just kidding. We're diving right in.
Awesome.
That's right. No need for a break when we're this deep in the AI trenches.
Yes.
Now, let's explore some strategies for escaping this productivity paradox
Okay.
and harnessing the power of AI in your own work.
I'm ready. One of the most compelling ideas, I think, that Julia puts forward is this idea of treating exploration time as an investment, right?
Yeah.
Not a luxury. Like it's like budgeting for training and development. Why not allocate dedicated time for employees to really delve into AI and figure out how it can fit into their workflows?
Yeah, I love that analogy.
Yeah.
It really shifts the perspective, doesn't it?
Totally.
Instead of viewing it as time taken away from real work,
Right.
it's an investment in the future.
Yeah.
A way to potentially unlock these massive gains.
Right.
In efficiency and productivity. It's about giving employees the freedom to play around with AI, to tinker, to experiment, without that fear of failure hanging over their heads.
Remember those famous 20% time initiatives that Google used to have?
Oh, yeah.
Where employees could dedicate a portion of their week to personal projects? This feels like a similar concept.
Yeah.
But with a laser focus on exploring AI.
Yeah, and if those 20% time projects led to things like Gmail and Google Maps.
Yeah.
Imagine what could happen if we applied that same philosophy to
Exactly.
exploring AI in our own organizations,
Totally.
The potential for breakthroughs it's huge.
It is.
But let's get practical for a moment.
Okay.
I can hear some of you thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I actually convince my boss to give me this exploration time?
Right.
Well, Julia actually offers some really good advice on this.
Okay.
She suggests starting small. So instead of asking for a whole day or even a few hours each week, why not try carving out just 1 hour?
Oh, that's doable.
Just 1 hour a week dedicated to experimenting with ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Or other AI tools. Use that time to see how it can be used for, tasks you already do.
Yeah.
Or maybe even brainstorm new ideas and approaches.
It's about showing the value of AI, not just talking about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you start seeing tangible results, even small wins, it becomes much easier to make a case for that dedicated exploration time.
And don't forget about those LLM whisperers we talked about earlier.
Oh, right. Yes. Those folks are a gold mine of practical knowledge.
Right.
And they can be your secret weapon in this journey.
Totally.
See if you can connect with the AI enthusiasts in your organization.
Right.
Learn from their experiences. Get their advice.
Right.
See if they're willing to share their knowledge with others.
It's all about creating that community of support and shared learning around AI.
Yeah, forming an AI exploration squad.
Yes, exactly. You could even organize informal lunch and learns.
Totally.
Or workshops where people can share their discoveries.
That's a great idea.
And tips.
The possibilities are endless when you start thinking about it collaboratively.
Yeah, and remember, you don't need to become an AI expert overnight, right?
Of course not.
It's more about developing a basic understanding of how these tools work.
Right.
and how they can apply to your needs.
Yeah.
Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and experimentation.
I love that.
You know,
Absolutely.
about embracing AI as a partner,
Yeah.
a way to enhance your capabilities and work, like
Yeah.
smarter, not harder.
I like that.
But of course, we can't ignore the fact that, like,
Right.
there are legitimate concerns about the potential downsides of AI.
Mm-hmm.
While we won't go down that rabbit hole today,
Yeah.
it's essential to acknowledge that this
Yeah.
revolution comes with some really big questions
Right.
that we need to, like, grapple with as a society.
AI is an incredibly powerful tool.
It is.
And like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or for ill.
Right.
It's up to us as individuals and as a society to ensure that it's being developed
Yeah.
and used responsibly and ethically.
100%.
But instead of like getting bogged down in the potential risks,
Yeah.
why not focus on the incredible opportunities that AI presents?
And that brings us back to you, the listener.
Right?
What are some specific steps that you can take today
Uh-huh.
to start exploring the potential of AI in your work?
Yeah.
Here's a challenge for you.
I love it.
Set aside just 1 hour this week.
Okay.
Just 1 hour
1 hour.
to play around with ChatGPT.
All right.
Think of a task you do regularly.
Yeah.
Can you figure out how to use ChatGPT to do it faster, more efficiently?
Right.
Or maybe even in a completely new way?
I love it.
You might be surprised at what you discover.
Totally.
And while you're at it, why not see if you can, like, track down
Yeah.
an LLM whisperer in your workplace,
Good idea.
pick their brain, learn from their experience,
Mm-hmm.
and let their enthusiasm inspire you?
Yeah.
The AI revolution is happening whether we're ready for it or not, right?
That's true.
The question is,
Yeah.
are you going to be a passive observer or an active participant?
That's the question.
We know you're out there, eager to dive deep,
For sure.
and we're here to help you navigate
Absolutely.
these uncharted water.
There's one more really interesting point that Julia makes in the article that I think we should touch on before we wrap up.
Okay.
She talks about AI as a tool for like
Yeah.
uncovering hidden patterns and insights that we might otherwise miss. Like
Right.
imagine having this AI thought partner
Yeah.
constantly analyzing data and revealing like these connections
Right.
that our human brains just might overlook.
It's like having this
Yeah.
this superpower
Totally.
that we didn't even know we had.
This is where I think the true transformative power of AI comes in. It's not just about, automating tasks or speeding things up.
Yeah.
It's about expanding our perspectives, challenging our assumptions, and ultimately seeing the world in new and unexpected ways.
It's like AI is giving us a new set of lenses to see the world through.
Exactly.
Now, that's something worth getting excited about, wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
So, welcome back to the deep dive.
We're back.
We've been kind of unpacking this whole idea of the AI productivity paradox and like exploring why so many of us aren't using AI to its full potential.
Yeah, even with all the buzz,
Exactly.
surrounding it.
We've talked about the need for like that exploration time.
Yeah.
Those LLM whisperers hiding in plain sight within organizations.
Right.
And how a shift in like leadership mindset is crucial to really absolutely unlock the benefits of AI.
For sure.
But as we wrap things up, we want to kind of leave you with like a final thought.
All right.
A question to really ponder.
A question to ponder. I like it.
Remember how Julia Wynn, the author of the article we've been discussing, talked about AI's ability to like uncover hidden patterns and insights?
Yeah, it's like having this incredible AI thought partner by your side.
Constantly analyzing data and revealing connections that we might miss on our own.
It's powerful stuff.
So here's the question we want you to ask yourself.
Okay, hit me.
What could you accomplish if you had the dedicated time to explore and experiment with AI in your work?
That's the question.
What if you like gave yourself the permission to play and discover?
Yeah.
Just like those Google employees with their 20% time.
I love that.
Think about it.
Okay,
What challenges are you facing right now in your work?
Yeah, good question.
What problems are you trying to solve? What goals are you striving for?
Yeah.
Could AI offer like a fresh perspective or a new path forward?
It could.
Maybe AI could help you, automate those tedious, repetitive tasks.
Yeah, the ones that are just killing us.
That drain your time and energy.
That's the worst.
What if you could free up like hours each week?
Right.
to focus on that strategic,
Yeah.
creative work that truly excites you.
The work that actually matters, right?
Exactly.
Like the dream.
Or perhaps AI could help you make sense of those complex data sets
Yeah.
that are just like sitting there
Right.
waiting to be unlocked.
Just like taunting us.
What hidden trends or insights might be like lurking within that data,
Yeah.
just waiting for AI to reveal them.
Good point.
Imagine the possibilities.
All right, I'm imagining.
New product ideas, innovative solutions,
Yeah.
breakthroughs in like efficiency that you never even considered before.
You never even thought about it.
And remember, this isn't just for like tech companies or data scientists.
Yeah.
AI is becoming like increasingly accessible
Actually.
to everyone,
Yeah.
regardless of your industry or your technical expertise.
That's the exciting part.
The tools are out there, ready and waiting for you
Ready and waiting.
to explore.
So what are we waiting for?
So why not take that first step?
Yeah. What's stopping us?
Even if it's just, carving out an hour this week
Right.
to play around with ChatGPT, to just like
Yeah.
see what it can do.
Give it a shot.
Who knows? You might just surprise yourself.
Totally.
And if you like happen to bump into one of those LLM whisperers we talked about,
Yeah.
don't be shy, right?
No, go for it.
Pick their brain,
Learn from them.
learn from their experience,
Go fit all up.
and let their enthusiasm kind of inspire you.
That's how it starts.
The AI revolution is happening all around us.
It's happening.
It's time to decide if you're going to watch from the sidelines
Right.
or jump in and be a part of it.
Be a part of the revolution.
We hope this deep dive has given you the knowledge and the motivation
That's what we're here for.
to start exploring this incredible world of AI.
Absolutely.
And to, uncover its potential within your own work.
That's what it's all about.
Until next time.
See ya.